Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the cup shelf retainer clip in your dishwasher. The reason why you might have to do this is because it's damaged or broken. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the dishwasher we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Whirlpool. Now keep in mind yours at home might be a little bit different than what we have here, but the same technique should still apply. Also keep in mind we don't have a countertop for this, so we're actually using some weights to keep it weighted down so it doesn't tip over on us. So you might want to consider that when you're at home, and if you have to take out your dishwasher, make sure that you're not doing anything to tip it over and make it fall on you when you're doing a repair as well. So the first thing we're going to do is open up our dishwasher here. So right here is our cup shelf retainer clip. So in order to get that off, if it's damaged, pull that straight up and it should snap right off. To get the clip off, we're going to push in and then push up as well on those tabs, and that should free it, and you can pull it straight off like that. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement cup shelf retainer clip, and if you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. And in order to put this back on, we're just going to slide it inside at an angle a bit so that these two can grab onto the tines right there, and then these clips will go on the other side where you can push them down and they just snap right into place. And all we have to do here is just line up these little notches right there and push straight down, and it should lock into place. And you can test it out, make sure it bends up and down. But this is going to be for you got some smaller cups down in here, and you've got other small cups that you want to set on top, or if you've got something really big and awkward like maybe a spatula or some kind of other utensil that's difficult to clean in your utensil box. But once you've done that, you can close up your drawer just like that, close up your door, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.